Here are 5 of the best protein foods for building muscle. 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest protein foods in amino acids and are also rich in good cholesterol, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Chicken. Chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building muscle. It is low in fat but packed with valuable nutrients. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, and have a low glycemic index to give you the energy you need while keeping you feeling full. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, which are essential for muscle growth and bone health. It is also a good source of probiotics, which aid digestion. 5. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have a very positive impact on muscle growth and recovery, as well as being a good source of high-quality protein and other important nutrients. Follow me. Learn more about health, and please forward this video to your friends.